Time moves on, and with time there comes change. Livestock feeding for many of our customers has changed due to the increased availability of ethanol byproducts, known as wet distiller's grain. This has changed some feeding rations from a dry product to a wet, sticky product. As always, Roto-Mix has responded to the needs of our customers. So Roto-Mix embarked on a project to improve the design of our rotary-style commercial feed mixers. This project resulted in the design of a new style rotor called the Staggered Rotor. The Roto-Mix standard rotor has worked well in most rations for years, but the new Staggered Rotor works much better in the more wet and sticky rations. As you will see in the accompanying video, this all-new Staggered Rotor produces many advantages over our original bar-style rotor. This first segment shows the original design that was developed in 1984, mixing a 15,800 pound load in a ration with wet distiller's grain. While this design has been the best available and provides a good mixing action, this rotor has some limiting factors. The full-length bars tend to limit the amount of feed that can be mixed. When additional feed is added to the mixer, a barrel rolling effect can be experienced, which reduces the quality of the mix and increases the time required for a complete and thorough mix. This next segment shows an identical 15,800 pound ration with the all-new Staggered Rotor from Roto-Mix. As you can see, this new Staggered Rotor produces a better lifting and tumbling action compared to the original bar-style rotor. The improved lifting action puts more feed in the secondary auger chamber, which accelerates the end-to-end mixing action. The improved tumbling action in the rotor chamber eliminates the barrel rolling effect that can be experienced with the full-length bar-style rotor. The combination of this improved lifting and tumbling action results in less mixer revolutions and a faster mix, which will save you time, save you fuel, and reduce wear on the truck and mixer. The Staggered Rotor advantages include improved lifting and tumbling action, less mixer revolutions, faster mix for less fuel and wear, unique staggered paddles designed for improving mixer performance, eliminates springs and spring boxes to reduce maintenance costs, and the optional Super Duty drive package allows for increased load capacity. Also, you will see the all-new Staggered Rotor is ideal for almost all rations, especially those with the wet and sticky distiller's grain. This segment shows the same ration with a 17,500 pound load. The improved lifting and tumbling action of the Staggered Rotor allows the mixing chamber to accept more feed without affecting the quality or speed of the mix. Even with the increased load, there is an excellent tumbling action on the right side of the rotor chamber. It is very noticeable that an accurate mix is completed with less turns of the rotor. A feed analysis test was done on the wet distiller's grain ration, showing a thorough mixed ration with as much as 50% reduced rotor rotations. With the optional Super Duty drive package, the load capacity in this segment has been increased to a 19,000 pound load, which is more than a 20% increase above the 15,800 pound load in the original bar-style rotor. The mix quality and speed of mix is significantly improved even with the increased load size. Because of the tumbling action with the Staggered Rotor, the increase in the amount of feed did not change the number of rotor revolutions to achieve an accurate mix, again reducing the number of rotor turns as much as 50%. For additional information, contact your Roto-Mix dealer for a demonstration and see why the all-new Staggered Rotor is designed for improved feeding performance.